Hello and welcome. Today we are cutting straight to the chase, setting up Argo CD on Minikube. If you're ready to automate your Kubernetes deployment with GitOps, hit that like button and let's get started. We will cover everything from Minikube setup to your first Argo CD application sync. Let's build some awesome GitHub pipeline. Argo CD is immensely important in the modern cloud-native landscape, particularly for organizations adopting Kubernetes and GitOps principles. It addresses several critical challenges in continuous delivery and infrastructure management. First, we need to install Minikube. Minikube goal is to set up a lightweight single-node Kubernetes cluster on your local machine for deployment and testing. Before we install Minikube, we need to have a Docker container. We are installing Minikube on Docker. You install Docker before Minikube because Docker is often used as the driver for Minikube to create and run your local Kubernetes cluster. Minikube can run Kubernetes inside a Docker container. In this scenario, Docker provides the containerization capabilities that Minikube uses to encapsulate the Kubernetes components like kubelet, API server, etcd, and etc. So let's get straight to practical. I'm going to be getting my codes and commands from the official Docker website. You can see it all here. We're going to sudo apt update, install certificates. Next, we're going to install the latest version of Docker. We're going to sudo run hello world. This command downloads the latest image and run it in your container. Okay, and after then, we're going to go to the post installation step for Linux. Okay, after Docker, we're going to Minikube, install Minikube first. We're installing this second. This is the latest version and it's very stable. Then we are going to check the status of our Minikube. After Minikube installation, we're installing Argo CD. Okay, kubectl before Argo CD. Okay, so now let's get deep into installation. So we're starting with sudo apt update, and we're going to install the certificate required, and next we're going to be installing Docker. So we run this command. Like I said earlier on, this is going to be a series of classes. Okay, then we run the next. And we're installing the latest version of Docker. I'm going to add -y. Then sudo docker run hello world. We are trying to verify that the installation is running successfully by running hello world. The command is going to test the image and run it in the container. Okay, so let's do that. And you can see it, hello world from Docker. Next, we're going to the post installation setup for Linux. And the reason we're doing this, we don't want to do the sudo command every time, so we're creating a group. Okay, that will always show you that. Good. Now Docker, but I'm going to show you something. You can see it, hello from Docker. Now we're not using sudo and it worked. Okay. Next, we're going to install Minikube, but I would like to restart my Docker and let me go to my instance and reboot. Wait for some time. Come up. Let's go to the Minikube installation before that comes up. Okay, so Minikube, we are running just this command. Okay, and Minikube status to check the status of our Minikube. This will come up anytime from now. Okay, it's up. Now let's run. Then Minikube version. Let's check the version of Minikube. You can see it 36.0. Okay, now we need to install kubectl. And next, let's do installing ctl. My client. You can see it installed. We need to start our Minikube. Okay, so starting Minikube. Now it's time to install Argo CD, but let's check our Minikube status. Okay, all working fine, everything's running as expected. Argo CD can be installed using its manifest. First, you will need to download this manifest and apply them to your Minikube cluster. Okay, we need to understand that Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tools for Kubernetes. Just like other Kubernetes tools, Argo CD requires a namespace with its name. Therefore, we'll create a namespace for Argo CD. So how do we create a namespace? kubectl create QCT agreed. Namespace is created. Okay. Now we go ahead to create. Okay, let me use the command instead of thinking so you understand better. We've created namespace. Let's go straight to installation. We are downloading this manifest. Okay, after downloading the manifest, then this will create the necessary resource for Argo CD within the Argo CD namespace. So let's verify the installation by getting all the objects in the Argo CD namespace. Okay, so that's what we've just done. And in order to access the GUI, we have to forward the network. Okay, now we can access the GUI, but what we need to do is go to our instance, check security group, okay, edit the inbound route for the security group and open port 8080 so we can use our public IP address to sign into the Argo CD GUI, okay? While this is loading, so by default, the Argo CD server is not exposed outside the cluster. We can expose it, so that's what we just did by exposing it, okay? Load security group is delaying. Okay, so my security group, edit the inbound rule. Now we can use the public IP. Okay, advance, proceed is on save. The username is admin. To get the password, we have to run this command. Okay, this is the password. You're not copying Ubuntu. Okay, I've copied the password. Before you run, okay, now you're signed in. So the next class is going to talk about how we set up the user interface and how we can move around the interface and we just play around. So that this will be all for now to the next series. Thank you. Please remember to click the like button and subscribe.